I'll show you how to do a rose oil from my bouquet that I received last Valentine's. So I decided to make a rose oil since I have a lot of roses. Yes, I got 36 roses from Valentine's Day. So let's make a rose oil, and we need we're going to use the jar and put some olive oil on it, and then after that you need to put jar with the olive oil and in a container where you're gonna put the hot water for 30 minutes. So and there's more, and then there's more petals, and then I'm gonna make more rose oil when I get another jar, because I only have one jar for now. And then I'm using the chili garlic jar. So this is the olive oil. Yes, we're going to put some olive oil on it. Yes, that's it. And I guess I need to put more olive oil since I put a lot of roses inside the jar rather. Yes, so more olive oil. So here is it. Now we're gonna boil the water. Oh, I guess more. Yes, I think half of it. I use half of it since I didn't use that oil for a long time, and then good thing I have a leftover roses. That would be actually when you buy a rose oil in supermarket, it's really expensive. Rose oil is used for the good for the skin. It is really good for the skin, and you just use it at like massage. Yeah, and then it smells really good. So that's all you need when you do the rose oil or DIY. Yeah. So the petals I have right now still fresh. When you remove it from the steam, it looks like so fresh, and so really good smell. I just learned, I just found that through internet, and then how to make the rose oil, or like the DIY. So we already have a, so we're waiting the hot water. I'm sorry, I have a jar, like chili garlic jar. That jar I used it. So now we're gonna put the hot water, and then we're gonna leave it for 30 minutes and then cover it. Cover that one. Just cover it for 30 minutes. And then the water should be really hot. Yes. So there we go. So after 30 minutes, this is look like now the rose. Oh, it's very hot. There you go. The rose oil in it. Yep. So now you have your own rose oil and then DIY, and it's really easy to make it as long as you have rose or leftover rose. So guys, don't throw your rose if ever you have it. You have to make it, the rose oil, and then the oil, you have to use it for like massage on your face, and there's a lot of nutrients or in it. So here we go. That's a rose oil now. So that's it, and bye.
Every week is fashion week for me. Wake up, put on all the freshest shit you ever seen. New York, LA, Milan, Italy. I know that your girl wanna get up and leave with me.